Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create AI image using your image. It is free. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Google Photos. So this is a Google Photos. If you find the Google Photos, just go to your search menu and just type a Google Photos, or just type photos, means automatically the Google Photos will be open here. So this is your Google Photos, so you can able to see the photos, collections and creative is there. So I just want to introduce the creative option. The create means you can create a different types of picture as you see here. So if you want to turn into your collab figure or recreate your photos and create professional headshots, every templates will be available here. So you can click here for view also to find out lot of templates will be available. You can remake your photos. It is a free, 100% free in using your mobile phones. So I just want to create a kind of a sketching or any type of images I want. So I just select some kind of photos. So this is a pen sketch model. I want to change this one into my photograph. What I have to do here? So just click here, add photo, and select your photos, what photos you are available. So I just select the photo and just click here for the generate option. Once you click a generate option, automatically your photo will be generated into your remake photo which you selected the template. So within a minute your photo will be changed into a pen sketch or any type of model Google has given this. As you see here, simple and easiest way you can save and you can generate your photographs. Or you want to change into a different model, so you just select the same photograph, it will be generate your picture into a different option. So simple way, your mobile phone has this option. You can create, you can make it in a different model and you can publish in your WhatsApp status or Instagram status or anything else you can create according to your needs. Yes, this is a simple way you can create and remake your photographs. If you like the tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.